So alright guys, so this is a new update I just came across on this Bounty Pay app, this Bounty Pay airdrop. So it is very important to watch this video till the very end because this video can make you at least a minimum of $20 if you watch this video till the very end. So make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you right here on this red app. So what you need to do is to open your Bounty Pay airdrop. If you haven't signed up on this airdrop, check out the description. I'll drop a link right here. So hit on the link. Once you hit on the link, sign up on this project and do according to what I'm going to show to you in this video. So let's go guys. So what you need to do, once you open your app right there, just like this, this is the first. Once you open it, this way it will show up, but I'm currently starting from this tap to in. If you look at the bottom right here, you can see tap to in deals, friends and me. So what you need to click on is to click on the friends. You can see here right here, click on the friends. Once you click tap on the friends, you can just scroll up. This is how it will show. So you can see right here, $1,000 Telegram Premium invitation rewards. So you can see the reward is starting from July 21st to August 1st, 12 p.m., which is their currently only 4 days away. 4 days away. So you got to do this as I'm going to. So you have to follow this simple step I'm going to show to you to benefit from this airdrop. So what do you need to do? First of all, what they are trying to tell you is that you need to invite Telegram premium users to join this airdrop to earn reward. So the first top reward are earning $90 each for each referral, which is the top 11th are receiving $15, the top four are receiving $40, the top 21st to 50 are receiving $10. Meanwhile, probably if you are below that amount, you can still have the opportunity to earn up to $5. And I bet you if you take this thing very, very serious, you will earn up to $20. So let's go right into this video. So what do you need to do? This is how you need to go about it. How do you gain your probably how you can this so this is how you gain your first four referrals, because if you refer four people, probably you can earn up to $30 or $20. So what do you need to do? Hit on the referral, invite your friends. So just click copy the link. I see right here, I just copied the link. What you need to do, this is what you need to do. What you have to do right now is to search for premium users on Twitter X. Once you get them, comment on their post, and invite them to join this project. So if any of them join this project, you will paid 15 to $5 for each one person that sign up on this project. So this project has the ability of giving you $20, and if you follow this strategy that I just showed to you, you will make this good money. So guys, hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you on my social media account. So see you in the next video guys.